Hi guys, I'm your chef Rupert Boreland. Today we are working with the real pastured chicken. This is from Nutrafarms. I'm going to show you how to do a roasted whole spatchcocked chicken. Very, very simple application. We're going to take our chicken, we're going to rub it down with a good olive oil. Both sides. We're going to season very liberally with some salt and just regular pepper. And if you have a favorite seasoning, this is mine. It's kind of like a smoky paprika based steak spice, if you will. Okay, I'm going to let this set up a bit. Again, salt liberally. If you're going to eat this part, you got to season this part. There's very few ingredients in this dish. We got an onion. You don't like onion, don't use onion. We got some garlic. Don't need much, just a little bit from off to the side. Okay, so that's it. Put that in the pan. Coarsely sliced onions. And we're gonna sweat this. So sweating means we're gonna soften them up in the pan. This is gonna be the base of the jus. Okay, so this is gonna be roasted, but we're gonna put some moisture underneath this to coax the meat to cook slowly. We're gonna preheat an oven to 340 or 335 degrees. So far, so good. We haven't really introduced anything too weird. I don't want you guys to be intimidated by this. This is a very simple home cooked dish. You can do this on the stove or off the stove. If you've never added wine to a hot pan before, I would suggest you turn it off and then add your wine. There is alcohol in it. If you don't turn it off, you are going to be surprised to see, don't be surprised to see flame come up out of it. We're going to reduce our wine to a stage where it starts to look a little syrupy. We're cooking off all the alcohol. And now we're going to add our chicken stock. A good portion. We don't want the chicken to be submerged. We just want it to sit very, very simply. We're going to place the chicken on top of this while it simmers, and we'll place the whole thing in the oven. And this is going to be our roasted bird. If your pan can fit in your oven, great. If not, we transfer it to another pan. As you can see, there's moisture in here. We're going to add a little bit more chicken stock to this. All the onions have perched up the chicken off of the base of the pan. We got a preheated oven, 335 degrees. I'm going to place this inside. I have the timer set for 1 hour. So, as you can see, we still have crisp skin, good and tender. This is our jus. So if you've got a roast, you want a jus, or drippings, or whatever you want to call it. Strain everything out. We're going to let that tent for 10 minutes. We're going to let this reduce for approximately 10 minutes. Everything should be ready in 10 minutes. Okay, so we've cleaned and sterilized our knives, obviously, and our cutting boards we've changed. So now we're dealing with cooked product. We don't want any cross-contamination. So here we go. We cut right down the middle. We got two halves. So our spatchcocked chicken. There we go. You can just see the moisture that's been retained. Now, we're going to slice this. You can serve it with the skin or without skin. It's up to you. Okay. Reduce our jus. There's your roasted Nutrafarms pastured spatchcocked chicken.
Visit Nutrafarms.ca to learn more.